All right, guys, good morning. What's going on? Got Colton here. Look at him. Yeah, there's not much to look at. I apologize for that. It's not my fault. It's not my fault he looks that way, all right? But good morning. Today's gonna be a fun day. You probably already saw the title of this or seen a picture, so you guys kind of know what's going on. And we're getting a phone call now, but this is important. So after being so rudely interrupted, actually it was his sister trying to fix my bank card, we are down in Kentucky to pick up a car. And my bank card got declined here because I forgot to tell them I was out of state. And it's the first time it's happened in a while, but it's only my bank card. My credit card never cares. I use it all the time. And every time I leave, say, go to California and just used it. Didn't care. Weird. But yeah, we're going to pick up the car right now. We're actually using Colton's dad's truck and trailer because we could have drove the car home. It's about an 8-hour or so drive. But I wasn't 100% comfortable with it, so yeah. And actually, I wanted to say this too, Kentucky is really pretty. We're driving along here, it's just really hilly and really pretty actually. I wish it was a little bit warmer here today, but it's not too hateful. But I'll just show you guys a little bit more once we get to the shop. All right, so we're here. And as soon as I get out, you guys are gonna kind of have an indication. You have to know. They'll have to know where the hell we're at, right? I mean, we'll just jump out. I'm gonna show you guys, open the door. This place is insane. So first off, we got a Ferrari, you know. Another Ferrari. They're weird looking Ferraris though. Just very, very weird looking Ferraris. Very stubby Ferraris. Look at them Brembos. Those look like there's Bilbo brakes. Look at that. It's got them Bilbo brakes on it. So we, wait a second. That's MR2s. That's more MR2s. Where are we at, son? Where are we at? What is that up there? We even beat the man, the myth, the legend himself here. There it is. We're at TCS, guys. It is time for another MR2. It is that time, boys and girls. Okay, guys, so we're just gonna get right to it. I'm gonna show you the car, and some of you are gonna be like, what the hell? Because it's definitely not me, so let's just drill you. So here it is, and you're like, already like, Ryan, what's up with the bumper? What's this? Just have faith in me. So we'll just get straight to it. Sunroof car. I wanted a hardtop, but could not find one that was exactly what I wanted. Sunroof car with power windows, power mirrors and stuff. Something I wanted. This is a no power steering, no ABS car, which is another thing I like. Not sure about the no power steering yet. It does work. It's a true rack and pinion car, so it's designed for it. This is a 2GR V6 car also. Can't open the doors, but all the panels and stuff you see missing, we have a 94 wing for it, another 94 trunk that Ty gave me. We're gonna fill the holes, get this thing painted, so ignore a lot of this stuff. It does have a turbo lid. This has he put a brand new TCS exhaust on it. It has a ton of parts that I'm gonna have to go over in a lot of detail. Again, ignore the wheels. All this stuff is gonna get fixed like ASAP. My boy over here, he's just excited. Colton, how excited you are to start working on this?
Oh, so excited.
I can just see like he's just jumping up and down for joy. This is original black car too. It does have, it must have been an NA model that gave all the bells and whistles because it's original leather car with the turbo style seats, has the tweeters, but it does not have the rear stereo system, which I like because it has the stereo boxes, so you actually have more storage room. Just little things are missing though, but it's all stuff I'm like, in my head, I'm like, I can fix this. Clean title car, no rust really, so just, it's an old car, but it has like 110,000 miles, not bad. So yeah, a lot of the stuff can be fixed. I need to get a couple other pieces, but Ty's been like, yeah, you have this, you can have that. So he's been helping me a ton. He's been fucking awesome to deal with. So yeah, I am pumped. But again, this is a 2GR V6. Car made 305 wheel horsepower. Get underneath here, brand new exhaust. Once I get up my lift, we'll start looking at it more. But again, ignore the trunk and all that stuff. I got the trunk wing, all that stuff inside the car. And from the driver's side, if you look at the one door handle, it's red. The painted door handle for it actually broke, so we put this in there for now. I can fix the other one, so it's not a problem. I'm going to strip this car down, get it painted, and start shaving stuff, so these holes will get filled. I'm gonna remove the antenna. That's gonna go away. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get rid of the wiper nozzles. I kind of like those on the car. It gives a little bit more definition, so yeah, but another 2GR car. All right, guys, so back home now, and we were just exhausted, so I didn't want to record much there. Plus, kind of wanted to clean the car up myself, and let me slip my shoes on here. Just kind of, yeah, just clean up and show you guys what it looks like, because it had someone to put some of the parts back in. I really like the car. God, it's fast. Like, let me take it back. It's quick. Like the 2GR, I need everyone that bitches or said you need to do a K-Series, you need to drive one. If you're looking for 300 horsepower, which most guys with a 3S GT are looking for, 2GR swap it. Less headache, less problems, no stupid turbos to deal with. I get the noise, because I'm right there too. Trust me, that noise is a big deal. But this thing sounds insane. The power's insane. If my buddy Colton was still here, he's like, holy crap, right? It just blows the tires off. The torque is just so quick. If you're looking for a 300 horsepower car, 2GR swap it and just be done. Okay guys, so here is the car. And again, there's nothing really wrong with it. The car is clean. Like, if you look down the body lines and stuff, I mean, the car is very, very straight. It just isn't, I guess, I know what I want now. I forgot, it's been so long. I know what I want now, and I want it to pretty much be untouched. And I should know, like, this car's been touched. There's nothing wrong, it's just, yeah. The car does have D2 coilovers on it, which is actually really nice too. It has D2 coils the whole way around. This is a no power steering, no ABS car, which I'd never driven, but it's actually really easy. But again, this has a proper rack and pinion in them, which is nice. This is a sunroof car. That is the big deal. That was the biggest thing that I wanted, was the fact that it had to be a sunroof. I really wanted a hardtop, but finding a hardtop with power windows and power locks was like impossible. This is a power window, power lock, power mirror car. So that was another big thing for me. It had to have those. This is a 92 model. So I know 91, 92s aren't as desirable because they say snap over steer, but it's kind of been proven that's a bit of a bullshit. The paint, I guess, is a Nardo gray. It was painted beforehand. The only thing that's really wrong with the outside, I should say, is has this trunk lid on it. Now I do have another trunk lid over here that Ty gave me. Then it has the 94 wing. I could have painted and stuff, but I'm not sure what I want to do yet. Got taillights in it. It does have, you know, the works. It has a brand new TCS Motorsports exhaust on it. Again, the 2GR, which I'll show you guys here. Not sure what the wheels and tires are exactly under the front, so I'm not sure what these are. The door handle, I still have the original one. The reason it has that on is the one that was gray, the one piece broke, and I'm not sure why, but it looks like it can be fixed, so not a big deal. Open it up. It's missing this piece here. I'm not sure if you can get that, or I guess whatever. It's got TRD Sport floor mats. I'm not even sure if that's a real thing, but they are MR2 floor mats because they fit perfect. So that's pretty cool. It doesn't have the clamshell. It does have original leather seats, and they haven't been rewrapped, which is good. So I don't have to mess with that. It does have the containers in the back. All the interiors in there, the glass. I do have the cover for the glass too, which is, where did I put that at? I can't remember where I put that down at. I gotta find it here. Oh, it's over here. There it is. So the original cover that goes up inside of there, I do have that too. Let's do this. Do have the original cover. This just like snaps up in. It's kind of neat. Just like spins up in. Never seen something like that. So one thing I was surprised about, the carpet isn't ripped in this. It does have tweeters in this too. So again, it's an NA model, but it seemed to have all the turbo stuff, except for the turbo has the speakers in the back. Doesn't have that, has the storage bins, which I kind of like because I like the extra storage since it doesn't have the CD holder. It doesn't have the shifter surround. Again, original leather seats or whatever haven't been touched yet. No cracks in the dash, which I'm really surprised this isn't cracked because I would assume this thing being as old as it is, the dash would be cracked. I got to get the one vent, which I do have over at Colton's. I need to pop that in. So yeah, it's not as bad. It's just not exactly what I wanted. So the more I'm looking at, the more I'm like, you know what? I'll probably trade with someone else that wants this because they're going to want what's really the badass part about this car. So come over here. This is the, there we go. Pop the trunk. This part. 2GR V6 has a Frankenstein intake MAF. It has the higher water neck on it. It's got the TCS water pipes, radium fuel filter already on it. I'm sorry, not fuel filter, I'm sorry, pressure regulator. It has the new cast Frankenstein. See if I can get it there. Those are the cast manifolds from Frankenstein 2, V-banded. It's very, very nice setup. I'm just not sure what I want to do here because just for the engine swap is $9,500. It's absolutely crazy how much it is, but there's a lot that goes into it also. I didn't realize, like when I went on Ty's website to see how much goes into an engine swap for 2GR, it's a lot, but it fits in. You're not cutting up the car. They do it right. All new motor mounts, all new everything. And it does have, since this is not drive-by cable, this does have the drive-by-wire pedal on it. See if I can get this down in there. This does have the drive-by-wire pedal on it. All ran. The ECU's in the trunk, mounted properly, so this does have a stock ECU, but this car made 305 wheel horsepower. 305 wheel horsepower, NA, to the wheels. Not on a dyno pack, this is on a regular dyno jet, made 305 wheel horsepower. That to me is insane. That's crazy for a little car, and this weighs 100 pounds less than the 3S GTE, so it makes the same amount of power as a 3S GT fully modified and pushing it to its limits with the modified CT20B or something like that. And yeah, you don't have to really do much, like 305 horsepower. That's crazy to me. And the outside of it here, I'm just trying to find and show whatever I can. Like, it doesn't have the wing here and stuff, but I really wanted to put the 94 wing on it eventually, so this didn't really bother me, but I don't think I'm going to keep it. The wheels and stuff are fine. Like it says, D2 coilovers the whole way around. Everything lines up here. I was surprised this isn't broke. On my white car, this was broke, and this isn't broken. I mean, it's on there tight. My white one was rattling around. So it doesn't have a windshield wiper on it, which I need to just put one on, so I'll just go out and grab some. I just rinsed it off too, so it's not like perfectly clean, guys, so don't judge me. It does need a good cleaning still. I'm trying to look over everything else. I mean, the car is just literally rinse it off there. Get up underneath, see. Here is the exhaust. See up there. I don't know, what do you guys think? What would you like to see here? One thing my buddy Colton said too, MR2's my white one's the same way, the doors are so solid, like it shuts nice. When you do that on my Supra and my wife's Supra, listen to it. I don't know, you probably can't tell, but like you can hear like some stuff move around. These don't really do that, like everything's, for being a frameless window, like that is just a latch clunky. This you can hear like the glass rubbing, mine's the same way, so if I come over to it, I don't know why it's an MR2 thing, I guess. That's actually not half bad. But her car on that side, and I know my driver door and her driver door too, is just like not perfect. But both sides of this, when you open the door, it's like perfect. And water's still coming out of it. Like I said, I just rinsed it. I guess I should show you a little bit more too on the inside. So, visors. Don't have any visors in this one. When I picked it up, I didn't realize it didn't have any visors. But in the back here, none of this is ripped. That was a big thing. Ooh, need to vacuum some more stuff out of here. I want to try and vacuum up as much as I can. Try to get everything cleaned up. But I mean, it's all, that's solidly mounted. Seats aren't like just completely destroyed either. Yeah, they got marks, but I think they could be cleaned up some. So, yeah. Dude, I wish you guys could see him just taking a quick rip around. I don't have this title and tags on it yet because I literally just picked it up, but I just went around the block and wow. So Colton and I took it around the block, and again, it's just, the power in these things is very just instantaneous. It's amazing. I know everyone talks about K-Series and all that stuff, but like I was saying, it's a very fun car. Just want to give you guys kind of the rundown of the car. I've got a laundry list of mods, but if you're interested in the car, please let me know. I'd like to get, 14 for it if I can. If not, we'll go from there. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna get another MR2. I really like the MR2. I really miss my white one. This just isn't exactly what I wanted. I'm just realizing now that I want something that's completely mine. Kind of like my Supra was a bone stock car for the most part. Like never engine swap, never touched, never really modified. My wife's car was pretty much bone stock. Actually, it was bone stock besides the one little wreck on the one side of it. So, but that doesn't matter, that's different. I want something that's unmodified. So if you have something too, I'd be open to a trade. Again, I'm really looking for, everything must be left-hand drive. If you even come with right-hand drive, I'm just gonna ignore you. I do not want anything right-hand drive, don't like it, don't care about it. I would, again, highly want a hardtop, but it's not deal breaker for me. Then would be a sunroof car, and then T-top would be at the bottom of the barrel, and if you have a T-top, that thing better be the nicest car that ever exists. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now. So let me know what you guys think. If you want to, shoot me a message, Instagram, Facebook. Actually, don't do Facebook. I never even go on my business Facebook. Do it through Instagram or my email. That's the best way to get a hold of me. So guys, thank you very much. I hope you liked this video, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.